So yeah, there she is, back. I've got quite a lot of building back up to do. I'm just hoping I remember where everything goes, which I'm a bit nervous about, to be fair. I don't think camera does it justice how clean it is. It looks, I mean, just look at that. I had the big mark there before, that's all gone. Sills were absolutely battered. And I know they're covered up, but still, all the rust that were on this back bit, just behind the bumper, but the thing is I know it's there, so I needed it done. I can't be leaving rusty spots. In here we're all battered with chips and honestly, I just think if you're gonna do it right, and then you'll have no regrets. But the car looks incredible, so I just want to get it built back up now. So I'll carry on filming and see how much we can get done today. It might be a two-part video this, where I get it all built back up and at least somewhat complete. There's still other jobs to do, but get it somewhat near. So yeah, let's get it. So that's going to wrap it up for today. Got quite a lot done. Some bits I didn't film because, like I said, weather other day were shocking. So there'll be some bits in your like where you haven't shown us that, but I can't film everything. Doing it all on drive, so that's a problem. Fighting with weather, trying to keep camera dry, just don't work. So I'll show you what we've got done. So we've got spoiler amp. Ignore this. I'm going to wrap it in the same wrap as what I've got on brake lights. I got all this installed off camera. Spoiler. All door handles. All door handles are working. Door cards on. I'm yet to put this trim on because I'm missing screw for it that goes through there. What's on? Wing mirror. This door, where this, I'll see if I can pick it up on camera for you. I don't know if you can see it in there. It's not focusing. There's a snap bolt, so I've got to somehow figure that out. And then I can chuck that door back together. I've got the door handle on there. Door card on this side, all trimmed down bottom. Now down here, at bottom of wing, there's two snap bolts. So I've got to sort that out, and then them pieces can go on its side skirt. And then same again this side. I've got just one snap bolt on this side, so it is actually holding it, but there's one that's snapped here, look. Yeah, but yeah, if you like this type of content, rebuilding Scooby and that, put it back on road, see what power it makes, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. Peace.